So once again, we've made it back to Treheadsfield, our favourite place in Wales, and we're off to the Waterfalls for a whole weekend of sends. So come along and join the fun, and we'll see you very shortly. Missions. Here we are back on the river, and as you can see, the sun is shining in and in the sun again, and this is what we've come to enjoy.
Have you seen that down there?
Fuck off.
So, we're all done at Lady Falls. There's not a lot of water at the river, so we haven't bothered jumping today. But we've done a few jumps at the lower waterfalls, and it's now quite late, so we're going to go back, get some dinner, and start the weekend wildness games.
Smoky chicken. Look at all this sunshine. Here we have the Weekend Wildness Weekend Games. And tonight, we're going for it. We're going to have a relay race, 1 against 1. Winner goes to the next round. Let's see how everybody gets on. But first, let's have a little walk through. So, how are we going to do it? 3 times round the pole, please, Rich. Balls, all you got to do is hit the jack out of the hole. Moving on to the next one, golf. All you need to do is hit the golf ball into the bucket. All we need now is 2 serves into the net with all the gusto you can have. It's all about the screen. Into the net, it's all about the screen. No screen, doesn't count. Yes, that's brilliant. That's exactly what we need. And there we have it. The Weekend Wildness Games. Let's see who's going to do best.
You missed!
Don't throw it too far because you've got to get your balls. Yes, Siobhan's in! Oh yes, there's 1! There's 2 and Siobhan wins!
Oh, the great shot!
Okay, so final on. In lane 1, we have got Beck. In the middle lane, we have got Pad. In the left-hand lane, we have got Siobhan. So, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go! And we're off! 3 times round the pole. So, this is the interesting bit. They've got to fight it out over the balls. Who is going to hit the ball? Siobhan straight off the bat, first time. And then she's off onto the golf, 1 ball into the bucket. That's all you need. The other 2 are fighting over it. Oh, she's so close. There it is, it's in. And the 1 serve, and it's all over. Winner! Winner! Yes! That's how you do it. So here we are, ready to go and raring to go, but as always, we're waiting for someone. And today, the someone is Rich.
I needed to have a poo, mate. Everyone's got to have a poo.
So we're finally ready for day 2, and we are on our way down to the 4 waterfalls this time. So more jumping, more fun. We'll see you soon.
jump. How do you feel?
Terrified. I've done it now. Woo! I've done it now. Oh, where am I on?
So we finally made our way down to the last jump, which is the biggest one that we do. But Leanne, it's her first jump today.
Big jump.
Leanne's also highest jump today, and also on the camera we've got Dave, who has never jumped this one either, but is going to come along for today. So let's see how we get on.
Big jump, big jump, big jump. Here we are.
We've just come to the top of the first half of the hill at the end of the 4 waterfalls trip. It's been a good one. Everybody's done some good jumps. And we're all ready to head back to the campsite. Some of us are going home, some of us are staying tonight.
Yeah.
But this is the end
Oh, yes.
of the waterfalls. We'll see you next time.
Weekend Wilderness, baby.